Bob has a very successful online business, but he is not happy. Do you know why? Because he is afraid. Visitors are increasing on his site, and soon his hosting wouldn't be able to handle the load. He is worried about the site performance during the spike time. Do you have the same problems as Bob?
Do you need to scale up your website to support an immense amount of traffic?
Do you want your website to be fully secure and highly available? If yes, then this gig is exactly for you. We are a highly rated AWS certified seller. We have done thousands of migrations and have a world of happy customers. We build highly available, highly scalable, and secure infrastructures on AWS, which provides you easy recovery from failure and ability to quickly scale without any downtime. And it requires very minimal administrative management overhead for you. Once your site is migrated to such infrastructure, it can easily handle immense amount of traffic. Bob has already ordered the gig and he is relaxing now. What about you? Order now to get your site migrated today.